In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design About Us page in WordPress. Design WordPress About Us page. We'll build a clean, trustworthy About page using the WordPress site editor, so you can introduce your brand with clarity. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor. From there, open the Pages view and look for an existing About page. If you don't see one, choose Add New to create a fresh page. When the new page opens, click into the title field at the top and type About Us. If you're prompted to create a draft, confirm it so you're safely working in draft mode. Next, move into the editing canvas, where you can place your content. Click below the title to add your first paragraph. Write a concise introduction that explains who you are and what your organization does in 1 or 2 sentences. Keep it reader-friendly and avoid jargon. As you continue, add additional blocks as needed. A heading block for section titles, paragraph blocks for your story, and an image block if you want to include a team photo or brand graphic. Use the plus icon to insert blocks, and the list view to quickly select and rearrange them. If you add images, include alt text for accessibility. If you want a simple layout, use a group block to wrap a few paragraphs together, or drop in a columns block to place text beside an image. Keep spacing comfortable by adjusting padding or margin in the block settings panel. While you write, preview your content on both desktop and mobile using the preview controls so it looks good at every size. Now let's style it. Open the Settings and Styles panel on the right. In Styles, locate the background options. You can set a subtle background color for the entire page, or if you select a group block first, apply a background just to that section to create a visual hero area under the title. Choose high contrast colors for readability, keep text lines short, and use consistent heading levels for structure. When your copy is in place, intro at the top supporting details below and any optional visuals, head back to the editor home if you need to review page settings, then return to the page to finish formatting. Give everything a quick proofread, check link targets, and confirm that images are properly sized. Finally, click Publish. If WordPress asks you to confirm, publish again. Your About page is now live and ready to help visitors understand your brand at a glance. If needed, you can come back anytime to refine the wording, adjust section backgrounds, or tweak spacing for an even more polished finish.